Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to see who viewed your YouTube videos and what analytics mean. For that, first off, let's hop into YouTube and head over to the Analytics tab. For that, tap on your profile and then tap on View Channel and then hit Analytics. Here you can see your video analytics with your views, your likes, your comments and your shares. These analytics show how well your videos are performing, how many people have liked your videos, how many people have viewed your videos in the past days, and a lot more. You can also view individual analytics of individual videos by tapping on them. Pull down, you can find your audience, your age of your audience, the gender of your audience, the geography of your audience. And if you want a more in-depth analysis, then you must head over to the YouTube Studio app, which you must have installed on your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.